So hi, this is my project on a Happy New Year. So first, when this is the screen and this is the button with a Happy New Year, and for the screen one and the button, the background color is yellow and all are automatic. Then I've written with a Happy New Year, and then the background, then the font typeface and height. The code is just simple. When button 1 dot click do open another screen name screen 2. It means that when I will click that, it will open the screen 2. In screen 2, I have inserted a video part whose height and width are fill parent, and one vertical arrangement whose height and width are fill parent. One button which I have written back. When I will click the button back, it will take me to the screen 1 again. And I have also added a video player for the video to start, and I have also inserted a file for the sound. Also I have also inserted one file for the sound. And then this is the back button. If I will click, it will return me to screen 1. Okay, let's see the block. First is that when screen 1 dot initialize means when the screen 1 will when call video player dot 1 start, call sound 1 dot play, they will play. And then when button 1 dot click do open another screen name screen 1, it will open back. And then this is in my phone. When I have clicked on the I'm testing it. When I click this a Happy New Year screen open, it will play and then the video will play. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and wonderful new year. And the video and the sound of 2024. Happy New Year 2024. And then again when you press on the back, it will go to the screen 1 again goes